Hello everyone, how are you guys? It's Silpa here and today we are making no-bake healthy granola bars, which is very tasty, very awesome and very healthy. So let's get into the making.
First, spread 1.5 cup of oats in a baking tray. Toast them in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes or until they are slightly golden. Keep a close check on the oats as they get easily burnt. Set aside to cool. Next, chop the dates into small chunks. Now process 1 cup of chopped dates in a food processor, adding just enough water so that it forms a sticky dough. I used around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Transfer the sticky dough into a large mixing bowl. Add 1/4 cup of smooth creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup honey, and mix well. Now add the toasted oats to the dough and mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. Well, at this stage the dough becomes hard, so ditch your spoon and start mixing with your hands. Now add half cup of dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of chopped almonds and raisins. Adding nuts is completely optional. And then mix. Transfer the dough to a baking tray lined with parchment paper so that it's easy to handle when it's done. Now spread the mixture evenly by pressing with your fingertips. With the back of the spoon, smoothen the top surface of the bars. Place the tray in the freezer for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's hard. Lift the parchment paper and now cut them into square or whatever size you prefer. Enjoy!
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down there. And stay tuned for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!